got the top 2 deals at the depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make virtual review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform with subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here, 1998. It's a 25-foot extension cord, 12.3. It's a pretty good gauge there for most heavier duty tools. You got the buy more, save more. So you buy 550, save 175, 450, save 100, 350. So these are pretty older deals, but still very solid, very hackable deals. You guys can get some good pricing out of these hacks. If you guys don't know what that is, leave comments down below in the description. Somebody will help you, or I would help you personally. Alright, so you got the chainsaw on clearance for $184 down from $229. Not bad deal. It says tool only. There are some that do say the kit, so they do come with the kit. You got the 400 lumen flashlight. This is an adjustable or flexible work light, according to what it says. 400 lumen. Another clearance section here. Actually a pretty big size clearance section with power tools. Alright, you got the vacuum here, handheld vacuum, 85 bucks down from 89. You got some jigsaw blades. Definitely check these out, guys. Sometimes these goes on clearance for around $9. So these are 12.88. It's not bad for 12 pieces. These are expensive blades. 129. I'm pretty sure you guys, like I said, if you guys do see these tags, guys, make sure you guys double check them with your associate. They do carry the you know, the company's phone or device, and they do have a separate from the internet. So internet quantity and price inventory are not the same. So make sure you guys double check with the associates, get the correct. Sometimes they don't update the stickers, and sometimes it's even lower than that. So you got the Dremel 8220, 99 bucks. Like I said, always double check these prices if you're interested in a certain item. You got a Husky 18, 15, and 12-inch tool bag, and then you got a framing nailer 285 down from 369. That's actually a pretty good deal for that one. We've seen those cheaper. I mean, not that one, but we've seen the Milwaukee cheaper. I got mine for around 200 bucks, so I was lucky on that one. So like I said, make sure you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed for this channel, because when those deals pop up, guys, they do sell out. Usually within an hour they sell out. So make sure you guys stay tuned, hit that bell. Alright, so $89 for the pack of 2 batteries. You got a 120 volt inflator. Yes, unfortunately it's 120 volt. They do sell a 12 volt, but you just have to look for it, or when the sales come up, maybe on the holiday deals. $2.99 for cordless kits. This is a 5-tool combo kit. It does include a oscillating tool sander, impact driver, and drill driver. A flashlight. 2 batteries. Alright, $39.97 for 18 volts work lights from Rigid. Alright, so like I said, double check those prices. Alright, so $49.96 for a trap snake, 25-foot auger. And then we're gonna move on. The ink saws, guys. I really like these markers. 418. I personally been using these markers, and when I started using them, I'm not gonna go with anything else. Milwaukee's a solid. They do make some nice markers or ink saw. Alright, so we got the hammers. Either if you want the wood handle or the fiberglass type, $27.97. You got demolition gloves. Loves those demolition gloves. And then you got the performance knee pads, guys. Those are really nice. They do have an upper support of the leg, so it'll give you some more support. So definitely check these out. These are the nicer ones. These are the, you want to save your knees, guys. Want to invest for around 50 bucks and save yourself a trip to the doctor. Broken knee or something. You got $19.97 for some screwdrivers. $12.97 for the knife sets, the fastbacks. Now the screwdrivers, I personally wouldn't care, but the fastbacks I do. They're really good. All right, so you got buy one get, or actually buy 2 get 1 free. So guys, with this deal, get the 12 amp hour batteries. If you guys want to stock up on those batteries, I know there was a killer deal, a glitch with those batteries, but nobody got them because they were 3 in the morning. They sold out. But yeah, for now, the two batteries, the 12 amp hour batteries with the hack, they do come out to $170 something. So a little bit more than 170. Killer deal on that hack for those 12 amp hour batteries. You got these sockets. Really love those sockets with the with the indentations, the white markings. Even if you scratch the paint, you get the dirty paint, you're still gonna get those bigger indentations on those sockets. 162 down from 179. A 2 battery combo. It's already sold out. $79 for the starter kit and $129 for each tool. So that grease gun's pretty good. If you're on the line, if you're not, guys, I just published a video of, I don't know if you guys want to go into it, but Harbor Freight does have a buy one get one free for a grease gun, and it's around 120 bucks with battery and charger. So I don't know, guys, that's a tough one. Harbor Freight does make some nice tools, especially now these days with their 5-year warranty on the brushless tools. Just thought I'd put it out there. All right, so we got some Milwaukee, and let us know what you guys think about Hercules and Harbor Freight tools. I know there's a lot of haters out there that do not like them, but I do like them, especially those brushless tools. All right, so we got some nice pack out kit here with some drill bits, some nut drivers, some 4-inch bits, some 3 and 2-inch bits. All right, so this is new, something new we haven't seen before. 600 lumen hard hat headlamp kits, and then $74 for rechargeable lights, and 550 lumen for the pivoting. $69. So that is unfortunately this one is not rechargeable. It's around 30 bucks. This one is rechargeable. It's 800 lumens, but you're gonna pay for that. So 550 on this one. And then you got the hard hat or the hat flashlight there at the bottom. $34.88. This is a killer deal on these. These are really expensive. I've used them before. They do last a long time. They're probably one of the better ones out there. Those are the sizes: 1 3/4, 2-inch, 2.5, and 3-inch, 1 arbor, and 2 pilot bits. So I really like the fact that they include 2 pilot bits. All right, so we got the buy one get one free. I'm not gonna go over all these, but if you guys want me to go over all these again, let us know in the comment section. But I do have a specific video for this, so make sure you guys check that out at my channel. I believe I posted it last week. So $2.99 will get you a 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries, and these are all the tools you guys can select for free. Obviously, the rocket light's gonna be a killer deal, and that inflator. I do have a video on all those tools, on both of those tools. My bad. And if you guys want to check them out, just put Toolhead 147, Milwaukee rocket light, or Milwaukee inflator. So definitely check that out. And those are the kits there you have to buy. There's only a few left on this store. Guys, make sure you guys jump on these because they do sell out, and I don't want to hear it. I did not get it. They do sell out, trust me. Especially Milwaukee stuff always sells out. All right, so this is a cheaper deal. This is $199. It does include the vacuum. I really like the vacuum with this deal. These, if you don't have them, get them because they're solid tools. But if you already have everything, go with the vacuum. The vacuum, the rocket light, and the inflator. I'll definitely stick with those if you don't have any. That's the inflator right there, valued at $179. That's one of the better deals. That thing's a beast. The impact wrench, the compact impact wrench, definitely worth it too. That is the inflator. All right, so these are new combos or bundles that they got, special buys. These are $279 a piece. They do come with the rolling toolbox. One hand, the reciprocating saw. It looks like a drill driver, impact driver, cutoff tool, and of course that rolling toolbox. So definitely check this out if you're into the HP. HP is the top of the line of the Ryobi. All right, so buy one get one free. This is one of the tools, preferred tools that everybody wants to get. This is one of the newer tools, the vacuum. Always make it easier on yourself, cleaning that shop, or cleaning that inside, or if you have pets and all that. So definitely check that vacuum out. There's a lot of good tools to choose from, guys, including that nailer. On this deal, this is $199. It is 3 HP batteries, charger, and plus it does include a free tool. So definitely check it out. All right, so and then you got the 2 speakers there, which I made a video. I don't know if you guys checked it out, but definitely check that one out. And this is the newer light. This is like a pivoting light with the wire, and it's a nice clamp light there. But definitely not worth it to get with the buy one get one free. I would just definitely buy that separately for 40 bucks. If you're gonna buy the buy one get one free, make sure you guys get a tool that's a little bit more expensive. Unless you really need it, right? Correct. So, but yeah, if you can get a little bit more expensive tool, around 50, 60, even $70 tool, for that $99 is gonna get you the better bang for your buck. All right, so that is a $99 starter kit. This is a $199 starter kit, or uh, this is a big tool combo kit. They do have reciprocating saw, circular saw, so basically all the tools that you're gonna need. 2 batteries and a big bag, so definitely check this one out for somebody that's just starting out, getting their first house. You got a power washer here, or power scrubber is called. So I do have the one that has an extension, but that one's pretty good if you guys got floor mats and carpet and stuff like that. You want to clean. Alright guys, that's it. Just a short video, just an overall video. Let us know in the comment section which deal did you get, which deal buy one get one free did you get, or want to get. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. You guys have a great weekend.